Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we have a surprise unboxing. Actually, today we're going to unbox the Airbus A380 of British Airways G-XLEL 1 to 400 scale as usual by Phoenix. And yeah, I think this model, well, first of all, how did I get this model, or why do we have this surprise unboxing? Actually, I bid on it on the Swiss eBay. It's called Ricardo, and I got a pretty good price for it. I got it for 34 Swiss francs including shipping, so that's roughly 37 38 US dollars plus minus including shipping. So yeah, it's a pretty good price. Pretty happy that I got it, because I wouldn't have bid much more. I would have bid until 35 Swiss francs, but 34 was enough. And I got it, so yeah, I'm super happy. Also, I'm super happy to get this registration, is because I actually flew on this exact plane from London Heathrow to Los Angeles International, LAX, in summer 2016, when it was pretty new. I think it was like 3-4 months old, this airplane, so you still could smell the new airplane smell, so that was amazing. I was actually on the upper deck, the only time I've been on the upper deck on an A380, and yeah, it was a pretty cool experience. So yeah, this model is a bit special to me, and yeah. Also, let's quickly show around the box. The box is beautiful, but nothing too special in my opinion. I already opened the box quickly to see if the model is flawless, if it has any damage. Oh, here we have, actually I haven't seen this one, that's London here. Just a bridge in London. Yeah, I opened it and the packaging is flawless, and also the model is flawless, so I'm really happy that I got it. Also happy that the owner, or the previous owner, actually opened it in a somewhat decent way, because usually I struggle to open it, as you know. And here we have the model. Here we have the model, guys. Yeah, let's go. Like I said, I already inspected it for any damages or any marks or whatever. You know, it's secondhand, so... But usually it doesn't have to mean anything. So yeah, let's put this to the side quickly and set up our stage for our beloved A380. There we go. Let me adjust the lighting a bit so you can see it a bit better. Perfect. I think now the colors should be pretty good, also because of the light. Maybe I can even make it a bit brighter just to see the colors. I think the colors are actually very accurate. I realized, or I know, that the colors on British Airways is rather darker, let's say, and it's not super dark, but pretty dark. This red and blue stripe, also the blue engines. I think the colors are very accurate. So this is amazing. Also, they even have the Rolls-Royce logo on the engine, but we will come to that in a minute when we do the zoom part. Okay, let's go to the zoom part. First of all, we have the nose with first door and the rolling gear, British Airways font or writing here with the crown logo. Yeah, I think it looks stunning. The color is accurate. I mean, what else do you want more, to be honest? Tail and everything. Let's quickly go to the other side. And quickly check the front, and then we check out the engines. Yeah, I think it's a stunning model. I think it's also a pretty new one, actually. It's not an old model, it's from a pretty new release. I don't know exactly from which one, but I'm pretty sure it's from a newer release. Blue engines. Let's zoom on these engines. I think they look fabulous. Okay, this is as close as I can get. Let's quickly check out the winglet. Yeah, and on the other side it's pretty much the same. Engines number 3 and 4, and of course your winglets. And let's quickly check out the belly, if there is anything special. Nope, not really special. We just have this blue belly of the iconic British Airways. So yeah, I think this is it. I think this is a fabulous model, especially for the price. Like, I'm happy that I got this model for this price. I think it's pretty accurate with the colors. Also, the A380 mold hasn't changed a lot. I think the A380 mold of Phoenix is generally pretty good. And yeah, not much to criticize this time. I think it's really nice, and it will definitely fit into my A380 collection. Thank you for watching, and see you soon again. Your Phoenix Models Reviews.